Hello, everyone, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Now, today we're looking at our first question on titration. The question reads, it takes 10.5 milliliters of a 0.25 molar concentration of hydrochloric acid solution to neutralize 300 milliliters of a sodium hydroxide solution. What is the concentration of the sodium hydroxide solution? Now, the first thing you want to do is to have a balanced chemical equation. From the balanced chemical equation, you should determine your molar ratio between the hydrochloric acid and the sodium hydroxide. Based on this equation, the molar ratio is 1:1. Now, let us look at the things that were given in the question. We have 10.5 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, which is the same as 0.0105 dm cube. For the sodium hydroxide, we have 300 milliliters, which is the same as 0.3 dm cube. We also were given the molar concentration of hydrochloric acid, which is 0.25. Now, since we have the volume and the molarity of hydrochloric acid, we can find the number of moles of HCl. Therefore, the number of moles equals to 0.25 multiplied by 0.0105. Therefore, the number of moles of HCl is 0.002625. Since the molar ratio is a 1:1, it also means that the number of moles of sodium hydroxide is 0.002625. Now, since we have the volume and the number of moles of sodium hydroxide, we can find the molarity of sodium hydroxide, which is given as 0.002625 divided by 0.3. Therefore, the molarity of sodium hydroxide is 0.00875. I hope this was really helpful for you. And I want to thank you for watching this lesson. And I want to remind you of any other day, especially today, try and be grateful. I want you to have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will talk to you soon.